Welcome back to the channel. As usual, before I get into it, I'd like to thank everyone who has been subscribing, liking all my videos, and the comments, especially the ones who have been having extreme fellowship with. You guys are A1. You guys are just A1. Really do appreciate it. But anyways, today's video, we're going to be talking about control. It's more so going to be a video about, like, why do people hate leader bikes so much for new riders? Okay, just to let you guys know, yes, I can afford this bike. That's the easy part. I do respect the bike. Apparently, when most people get into the bike scene, they don't respect the bike and then end up crashing, all this other stuff. No, that's not me. I definitely respect the bike. And if you guys, just a quick reminder, I did buy this bike in February of this year. I didn't start riding until March because it literally sat in my garage a month before I even got onto the bike. And once I did get on, and it's been easy peasy going forward. So it's been super good. But before I hop onto the bike, I'm going to show you guys something. It's really interesting. Okay, the bike is sitting there, right? I would like the bike to turn on. Oh, wait, the bike's not going to turn on. I guess I have to do that. Let me go ahead and do that. Let's get over here. Key on. I have been riding this morning, so it is warmed up. So that means I will have to press the switch to start it. Oh my God. I started the bike. That is amazing. The bike did not start itself. And I'm not too sure, but I believe any bike you get, you have to start it. The bike does not start itself. You know, I think I want to do a quick sound check of my exhaust, so let me wait and see. Like, bike, are you going to rev up, getting a little bit of higher RPM so that I can make sure everything's working? I'll wait. Oh no, it's not doing it. I wonder why. Because I think I have to do it. Let me go ahead and do that. Oh snap, look at that. I revved the bike. Wow, that is amazing. So you mean I asked the bike to start, to turn on, and I asked the bike to start, and I asked the bike to rev, and all 3 times I had to do it. That is amazing. So maybe the bike will go somewhere. Let's see if I can ask it. Bike, can you? Oh no. It's not going anywhere because no one's on it. I'm not on it. So maybe I should get on it and maybe it'll go. Let's try this. Okay, I'm on the bike. Will you go? Well, maybe if I sit you upright. Okay, bike, let's go ahead and go into first gear and go. Oh no. It's not doing it. Why is this? This is so dumb and stupid. The bike is stupid. Okay, people, just let you know, the bike is stupid. The bike don't know nothing. All the bike knows is that there's parts in it and it does stuff. But the control comes from me. So I went through that whole entire exercise to show people that you, which is in this case me, I control this bike. Whether it's a leader, a 750, a 600, a 250, or even a 125, at the end of the day, I control this bike. Okay, look at that. I'm having to put the bike into gear. Oh snap, it's in gear because I put it in gear. Okay, I'm going to quickly take off here in this nice little parking lot with the police watching me. Okay, would you look at that? I'm letting off the clutch. I'm giving it some gas. Oh my God, we are moving. Why are we moving? Because I am in control of this bike. Okay? The only thing I can think of why people hate so much on beginners getting leader bikes is because those type of people don't know what self-control is and respect. I have those 10 times over. There's a reason why my bike sat, literally sat in the garage for a month, because I respected the bike. I did not feel confident enough to get on the bike and go. If the bike was a 750, 600, 250, or even a 125, the bike would have still been sitting in my garage for a month before I rode it, because I did not feel confident enough to do so. The day when I felt confident enough to do something, I was like, yo, let's go ahead and try it. Took it out of the house, took it out the garage, and I was like, oh crap, I have no other choice, because I got to turn it back around to put it back in the garage. I got to go down and turn around and come back. And that's exactly what I did. And after I did that, there was no looking back after that. So the point of all this, people, is that anyone can start on a leader bike. That's only if you have self-control and respect. And also a little bit of confidence does go a long way too. A little bit, well actually a lot. Because you got to be some type of crazy to get on two wheels anyway. So all you people saying that, oh, you shouldn't be getting on a leader bike, you're dumb, you're stupid for doing so. No, I'm old enough to know right from wrong. I'm old enough to know what this life is about. Also, just to let you guys know, another quick reminder, I am a truck driver. I've been driving trucks for 13 plus years. So I have a lot of road experience. So for me, the road wasn't the scary part. It was more so like if I had the skill to control the bike. And once I was able to get on it and control it just a little bit, every day I push myself just a little bit further just to get just my skill level up. And I like it, you know? It's fun. I'm not here telling everybody, oh, if you're gonna get a bike, get a leader bike off the gate. I'm just here to tell everybody, like, yo, you guys need to stop telling people that they can't, when in reality they can, because all bikes have a, well, I can't say all bikes have a clutch, but all bikes does have a throttle for sure. And guess what? The bike does not control the throttle. Oh look, some guys, they must be going out riding today. I bet you money I know they're probably going way out way. And but like I was saying, I control the bike. The bike does not control me. I really do appreciate all the fellowship of everyone out here telling me that I'm going to die because I'm on a leader bike. But you can die on a 125. You could die on a 250. You can die on. You can even die on a 125, 250, 600, 750. It doesn't matter what it is. You know. At the end of the day, I control the bike. This is what I want all these new people to realize. Anyone who's getting into the game, you control the bike. The bike does not control you. That's really one of the biggest fears that everyone has to... Sorry about that. There's someone that was behind me that was just acting a little weird. like I was saying, I control the bike. You know, you control the bike. That's one of the fears that a lot of people have, especially when they're going to school, because they think that the bike is controlling them. And no, that is not true. You control the bike. The trick is trying to figure out how to control. That's another thing, is just trying to figure out how to control the bike. And that's just something that every individual just had to figure out how to learn on, you know. I did go to the Harley Davidson school. We were on some little, I don't even think they're 125s. I think they're like 75cc Groms or something like that. Those bikes are extremely nice just to get your first time feel on, but also comparing that bike to this bike, as a matter of they actually do feel the same. Actually, I do feel a little bit more confident on this bike than I did that bike, because this bike has a little bit more electronic fixtures, like, you know, the ABS and the traction control, and the different mode sets on all that other stuff. So like, it's I feel just a little bit, actually I felt way more comfortable once I got on this bike after it sat for a month. Felt way more confident riding on the road. But yeah, the hate's not needed. The hate for people who first get their leader bike is not needed whatsoever. Those type of people that have so much hate, like, they're the type of people who probably shouldn't even be on a leader bike to begin with, because they don't have self-control, and they especially don't have the maturity to do so. So it's really more of a psychological thing. So new people out there, if you want to start on a leader, you just got to do a self-check assessment of yourself. You know, like I said, the big thing is, I'm going to repeat it over and over again, is like, do you have self-control? And if you got self-control, you should do fine. And some people might actually get on leader bikes and be like, no, it was fun learning, but I just don't want that type of power. And that is okay. That is totally okay. You know, they have this saying out here. It's called, yo, ride your ride. There's nothing wrong with it. But as long as you ride your ride and you're safe, nothing wrong with it. Nothing wrong with it at all. But anyways, I think I'm going to go ahead and end this video here. Once again, if you guys like what you saw, and you guys like what I'm talking about and stuff like that, make sure to leave a like, a comment, and make sure any new people out there who are listening out there, just go ahead and subscribe. All the people who I'm having extreme fellowship with, I really do appreciate each and every one of you guys, because you guys have helped. You guys have no idea how much you have helped me grow in the last couple of weeks. Really do appreciate each and every one of you. But yeah, well, I'll go ahead and end it here, and peace out, people.
Oh,